Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can make your WhatsApp call look better with this settings, video retouching. This feature stand to make your skin look better and brighter during video calls chattings. First you have to go to simple WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp, start a video call with your friend or family, click on the round button on the side to beautify your image. How you can enable it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings app. Here are special functions. Click on special functions, click on social turbo, and here it is video retouching. Just simple, you have to enable this, and now you you look better during WhatsApp video calls. This is how you can enable it. Before I hope you like this video. If you like this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.